So what key do wolves howl?
I know.
Don't listen to her. No, you don't. These two will give me so much grief doing
Yes, we
this.
will. And happily so.
What key do wolves use? Who's musical? Yeah.
I do not have
What key would a wolf sing? Same as a dolphin.
Oh,
Same as a whale.
oh,
Good.
A?
No.
Nope. Give us an example.
Yeah, let's hear it.
What key?
G. Someone's off.
Still got it,
They
Captain.
say it projects farther. I don't know if scientists really know, but that's what they tell us.
Yes.
Is that wolves, whales, dolphins all sing in the key of E. So do you guys want to see if we can get the whole colony to sing? If you guys fake it, and you guys look at each other and laugh, they know. I've literally watched second graders. You tell them to pretend, they push with their diaphragm. We used to teach people to do this at howling surveys. And howl 3 times, bring it up like a siren, hold it, hold it, hold it, and then taper off 1 note or octave. And then look and wait, because wolves, they don't look at each other when they howl, they close their eyes. So if these guys get up and start moving around, we'll try to not pet them, because if we pet them while we're howling, they won't howl. As soon as you touch them, they're like, nope. But you guys want to see if we can get the little stuff to howl?
Yeah.
So we'll start 3 times, we'll do 3 howls. If I bring my hand up, just let it rip. And if I bring it down, let's take time to listen. And my hope would be that maybe we could get these guys to howl. Yeah, why don't you sit down on the thing and we'll just let them fall asleep, and now see if you can stop plucking her and we'll let her relax for a minute. So now imagine this. This is the only way you get to have warmth and friend and the comfort tonight. You're all alone, you've lost your mate, and you got to let out the saddest, loneliest howl. And I would love to see us to get these guys to howl. Yeah, I know, thank you so much. You guys ready? Big one, louder. Real loud one, come on.
They're not too impressed, I don't think.
No,
A little distracted.
I think
He thought about it.
I think, what's that?
He thought about
I
it.
thought for a minute he was
You
going
tried
to.
playing police car
I've
sirens,
got one
I
of the
find
other
that
wolves'
works.
fur in my pocket, and he just caught the smell. And Lyra, you're so helpful. That's not your fur. Would you like some of it?
Is it Rosie's?
I think it's rose. I think it, yeah, I think I got a chunk of rosy.
Listen,
You
you
can tell
guys.
he's just. Oh, that's a different smell.
I think we should try again.
Yeah.
Someone joined us. Yeah, someone
Let's try 3 howls. Go for it.
You know better. Get me.
Great job, Andy. You're an inspiration.
It's got to go through kind of like a process. You guys are, what, 15, 16, is that right? And at this time of age, you know, everybody's watching you. Would you guys agree? Making sure you don't make mistakes. Your parents, your teachers, the more you go, they want to make sure you don't mess up. And if
Stand
you
up,
guys
Mandy.
can make it to 21
Walk him around.
without a conflict, then we'll have the ability.
Atlas.
And here's what's going on, and let me take it for a minute. This flimsy shirt just was a toy to him.
Yeah.
As soon as she stood up, that
Here.
flinched and she grabbed it. So the reason I say this is you guys have to like learn to be responsible. Make sense? Have you ever tried to imagine trying to show that to something like this? He has about 1 year, and in a year he's going to be mature, kind of like you guys are right now. We're not going to be able to tell him anything. In this next year, if he learns to be a roughneck, his future is going to be really limited. So he got ready to play with Bendy. And you see the bruise on her arm? That's from him playing with her. Yeah, it's serious. It can really hurt. And he doesn't think he did anything wrong. He thinks he should chew on her like you choose on Lyra. And how do you tell him that you can't chew on you? And these two were rough. So I went in tonight when I put him on a leash, and Bendy and Sam saw that. They just about knocked me down. They were so excited to say hi. They weren't being mean, but they were so strong. And then if you start acting like a rabbit, they're like, oh my gosh. So that's where you get that mix of the wild and the domestic. The wild's strong. The domestic is not afraid of humans. The wild is keen and independent. I do what I want. Where the dog, we hope, does what we want. But he's got a really challenged year to get through. So this is kind of like a kid that's on the edge of going to a detention center, if you want to put it in human terms. And his behavior is just on the edge of,
But can I just throw
Yep.
something in?
Uh-huh.
To get an animal like this through it, what do you guys think it takes as far as the human caretaker? Does anybody have any clue? It's your attitude and how you perceive the animal. So if Vendi, when she got chewed on yesterday, if she'd have taken that as a fearful thing and decided, oh, I'm not going to go near him and be scared of him, how do you think he would have reacted to that? It would have made him worse. By her doing what she's doing, coming out
Working
here
through it.
fearless, she's working through it, and it'll help him get through it so that he can continue to be a great ambassador.